Hey, have you ever been told that your joints are screwed? You're just old, you're getting degenerated, just accept it. Don't worry about getting up and down stairs. Just get miserable and just accept the fact you can't work. You can't do the things you used to do. Well, guys, this is Dr. Ray. I'm Dr. Ray. This is Dr. Ray. I'm Dr. Ray from Chiropractic Plus. And some interesting facts in science have come to be known. We all know about chondroitin, hyaluronic acid, and all these various things. Well, we have a supplement called DJD formula, which aids in that regenerative process. Now, the challenge you run into, however, as it relates to that, you ever cleaned your house? Okay, what happens first? It gets ripped apart. There's dust bunnies everywhere. There's crap everywhere. And you just clean, clean, clean. Then in the end, it goes back together. Well, during this process of ripping apart, that creates inflammation. So oftentimes people have tried the glucosamine chondroitins, and it tends to make them more sore. So we have another supplement which makes the body anti-inflammatory in its nature. And it has a lot of things with fish oils and things in it. And so you take this initially, and that helps to bring down the inflammation. And then you use the hyaluronic acid, the DJD formula with the glucosamine chondroitin, and then you use the power of the adjustment to connect it. And we're also using regenerative therapies, like we're using stem cell and platelet-rich plasma to help regenerate those tissues. So guys, this is an interesting time we're living in, and this anti-aging craze that they talk about, the science is amazing. So guys, take advantage of that. Contact our office, 303 254 8430, and get an appointment. Talk to me about that, and let's get your body regenerating instead of degenerating. Take care. Talk soon. Have a great one. Bye-bye.